Hello friends, welcome to our channel Easy Shots of Learning. This video is about break-even point. Break-even point or break-even sales is that level of sales where the company neither earns profit nor incur loss. What it exactly means, let's understand it with an example. Suppose in a company, material cost per annum is rupees 5 lakh. Wages paid by the company to its employees is rupees 2 lakh and expenses incurred by the company is rupees 1 lakh. So the total cost of the company is rupees 8 lakh. Now, if the company's total sales is also rupees 8 lakh, it means at this level of sales, the company neither earns profit nor incur loss. It means break-even point is that level of sales where the company's total cost and total sales are equal. If the company's actual sales is more than 8 lakh rupees, the company starts earning profit, and if the actual sales is less than 8 lakh rupees, the company starts incurring loss. So at this level, the company's total cost is equals to its sales. So total cost consists of two costs. Number one is variable cost, which changes with the production, and number two is fixed cost, which is fixed irrespective of units produced or sold. Now suppose in any particular year, if the production stops due to some reason, our variable cost is zero and only the company bear is fixed cost. So the minimum break-even sales is equals to fixed cost. That's why we use fixed cost in break-even sales. When we calculate break-even sales in rupees, our formula is fixed cost divided by PV ratio, and to calculate break-even point in units, our formula is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Now in this video, we calculate break-even point in different situations. So in case number first, our fixed cost is 30,000 rupees and contribution per unit here is 10 rupees. Now when the contribution per unit is given, we calculate break-even point in units. The formula used for this is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Here the fixed cost is 30,000. Contribution per unit is rupees 10. So our break-even point is 3000 units, which is option number B. In second case, fixed cost is 40,000 and in place of contribution per unit, here profit volume ratio is given, which is 20%. When the profit volume ratio is given, break-even point is calculated in rupees, and the formula to calculate break-even point is fixed cost divided by profit volume ratio. Here the fixed cost is 40,000 and profit volume ratio is 20%. So break-even point here is rupees 2 lakh, which is option number C. In next case, actual sales is 30,000 rupees and margin of safety is 40%. Margin of safety is that level of sales where the firm earns only profit. It means it is excess of break-even point sales. So when we calculate margin of safety in rupees, actual sales is 30,000 and 40% of actual sales is margin of safety. So our margin of safety is 12,000 rupees, and when we calculate margin of safety, our standard formula to calculate it is actual sales minus break-even point sales. Here, when we transfer this here, the formula to calculate break-even point is actual sales minus margin of safety. When we put these values here, our actual sales is 30,000, margin of safety is 12,000, so our break-even point is 18,000, which is option number C. In next case, margin of safety is 1000 units and actual sales here is 3000 units. So to calculate margin of safety, we use the formula actual sales minus break-even point sales. Here the margin of safety is 1000 units, actual sales is 3000, and we have to find out the missing figure, that is break-even point. When we transfer this here and 1000 here, we get break-even point equals to 3000 minus 1000 equals to 2000 units is our break-even sales, which is option number C. In next case, fixed cost is 5000 rupees and total contribution is 20,000. When the contribution given in rupees in place of per unit, then we calculate break-even point in percentage, and for this we use formula fixed cost divided by total contribution into 100. Here the fixed cost is 5000, total contribution is 20,000 into 100. So our break-even point in percentage is 25%, which is option number A. In next case, variable cost to sales ratio is 50%, profit is 40,000 and margin of safety is 20%. Now how we calculate break-even point in this situation? For this, first we have to calculate margin of safety. To calculate margin of safety, our formula is profit divided by profit volume ratio, and to calculate profit volume ratio, when variable cost to sales ratio is given, we use formula 1 minus variable cost ratio. So when we put these values here, 1 minus variable cost ratio is 50% or 0.50. So our PV ratio is 0.50 or 50%. So when we put these values in margin of safety, profit is 40,000, PV ratio is 50%, so our margin of safety is 80,000 rupees, which is equivalent to 20% of sales, which is given in question. Now to convert margin of safety in actual sales, 80,000 is our margin of safety, which is equivalent to 20%. So actual sales is 4 lakh rupees. When we put these values to calculate break-even point, our formula to calculate margin of safety is actual sales minus break-even point sales. Here the margin of safety is 80,000, actual sales is 4 lakh, and the missing value is break-even point. Now when we transfer these values, our break-even point is 4 lakh minus 80,000 equals to 3,20,000 is our break-even sales, which is option number D. In next case, margin of safety is given in percentage, that is 60%. So if our actual sales is 100 rupees and margin of safety is 60% of actual sales, so 60% of actual sales is our margin of safety, that is 60 rupees. So our break-even point is 40 rupees or 40%. So here option number A is our answer. In last case, profit is 10,000 rupees, margin of safety is 50% and profit volume ratio is 50%. So in this case, first we have to calculate margin of safety in rupees. For this, we use formula profit divided by profit volume ratio. Here the profit is 10,000, profit volume ratio is 50%, so our margin of safety is 20,000 rupees, which is equivalent to 50%. Now to convert this margin of safety in actual sales, we calculate 20,000 divided by 50%. So to calculate and convert it into actual sales, we multiply numerator with 100. So our actual sales is 40,000. Now when we put these values in our margin of safety equation, that is actual sales minus break-even point sales. Here the margin of safety is 20,000. Actual sales is 40,000. And break-even point we have to find out. So break-even point equals to 40,000 minus 20,000 equals to 20,000 is our break-even sales, which is option number A. So in this video, we understand how we calculate break-even point in different situations. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any query related to this video or to break-even point, please write me in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.